The Magic Bullet Blender is a versatile kitchen appliance that offers convenience and efficiency for a wide range of food preparation tasks. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing, I can confidently say that this blender is a valuable addition to any kitchen. One of the standout features of the Magic Bullet Blender is its incredible functionality. It is specially designed to handle multiple tasks such as making salsa, cocktails, ground coffee smoothies, and even grating cheese. This diverse range of capabilities makes it an excellent tool for individuals who enjoy experimenting with different recipes and flavors. In terms of design, the Magic Bullet Blender is sleek and stylish, available in a silver and black color combination. Its compact size, measuring 6.93 inches in diameter, 13.19 inches wide, and 10.63 inches high, ensures it will not take up unnecessary space on your kitchen countertop. This makes it ideal for individuals with limited kitchen space or those.
The Ninja BC51 Envy Blast Portable Blender is a versatile and convenient kitchen appliance that is sure to impress. Designed by the renowned brand Ninja, this blender boasts a sleek denim blue color that adds a touch of style to your kitchen decor. One of the standout features of this blender is its portability. With its lightweight and cordless design, you can take it with you wherever you go, whether it's on a camping trip or to the office. It's the perfect companion for those who are always on the move and want to enjoy a nutritious and delicious blended drink wherever they are. The blender's removable blade is another great feature that makes cleaning a breeze. Simply detach the blade and clean it separately or toss it in the dishwasher for a hassle-free cleaning experience. This saves you time and effort, allowing you to enjoy your freshly blended smoothie without worrying about the cleanup. With a capacity of 1.1 pounds, this blender is ideal for single servings or smaller batch.
The Hamilton Beach Portable Blender for shakes and smoothies offers a convenient and practical solution for individuals who are always on the go. With its brand reputation and impressive features, this blender stands out among its competitors. One of the standout features of this blender is its ability to blend and drink directly from the jar. This eliminates the need for additional cups or containers, making it ideal for those who want to enjoy their drinks without any hassle. The 14 fluid ounces capacity ensures that users can prepare enough drinks for their needs. In terms of design, the blender has a sleek and compact shape with dimensions of 3.5D into 3.5W into 12.25 H. This makes it easy to store or carry around, fitting perfectly in a backpack or travel bag. The black color gives it a modern and elegant look, appealing to a wide range of users. The performance of the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender is worth noting. It features a powerful motor.
The Hamilton Beach Portable Blender is a remarkable product that offers convenience, functionality, and versatility. As an experienced product marketing expert, I can confidently say that this blender ticks all the boxes when it comes to meeting the needs of users from diverse backgrounds. One of the standout features of the Hamilton Beach Portable Blender is its portability. With its lightweight and compact design, it is easy to take this blender with you wherever you go. Whether you're traveling, going to the office, or heading to the gym, this blender can be your reliable companion. The blender comes with 2 jars in a sleek white color, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen or any other space. The option of having 2 jars allows you to conveniently switch between them and prepare different recipes without any hassle. With a capacity of 14 fluid ounces, this blender offers enough space to blend a variety of ingredients to perfection. Whether you want to make a refreshing.
The Ninja QB 3001 SS Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender is a versatile kitchen appliance that offers outstanding performance and convenience. With over 10 years of experience in the field of product marketing and writing, I have had the opportunity to test and review various blenders, and I must say that this product stands out in terms of its exceptional features and functionality. One of the key highlights of this blender is its compact design. With dimensions of 4.3D into 4.3W into 13H, it occupies minimal space on your kitchen countertop, making it perfect for those with limited space. Despite its compact size, the Ninja Fit Personal Blender does not compromise on power or performance. It is designed to deliver impressive blending results every time.
The blender's pulse technology ensures that you can achieve precise and controlled blending. Whether you want to make smoothies, protein shakes, or blend ingredients for your favorite recipes, the Ninja Fit Personal Blender.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.